Hey, good tech tip today. Fuel line. If you got this type of fuel line, it's like a gray fuel line. Ethanol is very bad to this type of fuel line because it's got a liner inside of it. And I know people put premium and all that stuff in there, but it still will eat away that liner. So a good tip is too, if you got this line, replace it. And this is the reason why. See that liner in there? That breaks down and it gets into your fuel system and it makes a mess. So a good tip for you, if you got this line, replace it. That right there makes a mess in your fuel system. There you go.